Greetings. I had an individual contact me. He says, AMT kits are junk. You know what I gotta say to that? I'm not allowed. Jake says I have to behave myself. So we figured, why not? We'll talk about it. Now, what you see in front of you, we have a AMT 1957 Bel Air. We have the 62 Bubble Top. And we have the 33 Willys. Okay? Now, I'm not going to tell you how old I was when this came out. Actually, any of them. That's besides the point. Look, when they were released, the individuals from AMT worked hand in hand with the Detroit top 3. Okay? These were used as promos. Okay? And then somebody, a genius as far as I'm concerned, said, wait a minute. We could open this up where kids could be doing, and it didn't stop. Okay? So, are they perfect? Hell no. However, every one of these 3 are right to the specs that Detroit laid out for these cars. Every bit of it. Now, a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, a little bit of paying attention, this is what you produce. And you can't go wrong with it. You really cannot go wrong with it. Now, for the guys that are like, oh my God, the interiors. Yeah, I know, I agree. They can be fixed, but, it all depends on how much patience you have as a modeler. Minimal effort for maximum gain, it don't work. It does not work. You can't get any closer to the specs that they put across on this. All right? So, if I take one of these bodies, and you can see them, okay? They are dead nuts on. Did I have to put some time and effort into it to make it look the way that it does? Hell yeah. But if I take this body and take some of the AMT frame work and then couple it with the Revell and glue it all together, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. Also, another thing, and this is for the contest guys, most guys don't want to take this on. So if you build these and you take your time and you combine, you kit bash, you're going to be hard pressed to get beat on a contest table. Not only that, the guy that gives a rat's patootie about his builds in the first place, and he's got maybe a nice elaborate cabinet set up with glass doors and everything and the lighting and everything, and you lay something across him like this, he gonna go for it every time. He is. I guarantee it. Why? Because I'm that way too. But all it takes is a little bit of time and effort. For the ones that want to cry and carry on about how they're junk and this and that.
Send them to you?
Yeah, sure. Right. Sorry, nobody home. Nobody gonna be home. But that's the drawback on today's modeling world. Because everybody wants the premier and very little effort. Well, if you're going to do that, and you're even striking out on that, would be the die cast. And some of them are fabulous, and you pay through the nose for them. You earn them. There's no doubt about it. But you can't go wrong with this. And as time is going on, our hobby is shrinking. There's no doubt about it. And if you were to go out and you would buy some collections and everything and buy some of this vintage and buy some of this, the antique kits, and combine it with the modern day stuff from Revell and Mobius and some of the others. You can't beat these kids. You really, really can't. You can't you can't not beat the builds that they can produce. And all it takes is a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, and a little bit of noggin power. So, I think I beat your ears enough today. Like I said, keep track on us. We're going to keep poking away at this. Coming down the road, there's going to be, once January hits, there's going to be some more announcements towards this, what's going on, what's going to happen down the road, etc., etc. So we will let you know firsthand very soon. So until the next time, Happy New Year. Take it easy on the booze. Don't be drinking and driving. Not good for you. God bless y'all. I hope your family and you have a wonderful New Year. So we'll catch you next Sunday, right?
Friday.
Friday. I missed it. All right. God bless. We'll see you later. Take care.